Okay, boys and girls, so we have a new set of suffixes this week. It's ness, ly, full, and able. So I'm just going to go over example for each one and tell you what it means because you'll be working with them this week and doing a similar sort that you did last week with them. So the first one I have up here is sadness. So you can see that the root word is sad and the highlighted suffix is ness here. Think about this for a minute. What do you think sadness means? So sadness means that you are in the state of being sad. So ness usually puts something in the state of its being. Next is ly, and you can see I have weekly here. So ly can be a little bit more tricky. It can mean different things sometimes. So with the root word week, ly means that it happens often. So like you have weekly assignments, it happens often. If you do something every week, weekly, you keep doing it often. Quiet means how do you do it? So how did you do your work? You did your work quietly. So a little bit different there. The next suffix is full, and you can see hopeful. I think you know this one. What do you think hopeful means? So hopeful means you're full of hope. That one I think you use a lot. And the last one is able, which means you are able, like you see in a bowl, to do something. So breakable means something can be broken. So like a plate is breakable. So these are your suffixes for this week. You will be doing activities with them throughout the week. So have fun with those, and I hope they help you with your spelling.